Menopause is a normal, natural event defined as the final menstrual period and usually confirmed when a woman has missed her periods for 12 consecutive months. Menopause is associated with reduced functioning of the ovaries due to aging, resulting in lower levels of estrogen and other hormones. It marks the permanent end of fertility. The most common symptoms of menopause include irregular periods, hot flashes, loss of libido, vaginal dryness, night sweats, sleep disorders, fatigue, irritability. It is important to remember that although these symptoms are not very pleasant, menopause is not an illness, but a natural occurrence in a woman's life, and the symptoms can be treated. Most experts agree that the best way to treat menopausal symptoms is with a combination of lifestyle changes and natural remedies. Simple lifestyle changes include avoiding or reducing caffeine and alcohol consumption, sleeping 7 to 8 hours per night, taking vitamins such as B, C, D, and E, practicing breathing exercises, eating a healthy, balanced diet that is low in carbohydrates, exercising regularly, and staying hydrated. Alternative treatments, such as dietary supplements, involve very low risk factors and can be an extremely effective way to treat most menopausal symptoms. As most menopausal symptoms are caused by a decline in hormones such as estrogen, women can get relief by introducing plant-based estrogens into the body. Read more about the 34 different symptoms of menopause and the explanation of the different alternative treatments in our free menopause ebook at mannaplus.com. Manna Menopause Support is a natural dietary supplement containing different phytoestrogens and minerals which can help give relief from menopausal symptoms. This product is available at leading pharmacies throughout South Africa, Dis-Chem, and online from the Manna website at mannaplus.com.